Alright guys, today on the channel we are going to be unboxing the new DJI Mavic Air 2. Now I did upgrade from the original Mavic Air due to this has OptiSync 2.0 I believe, and it has a lot more range and a better signal. This is just supposed to be the upgrade and a better drone all around, and I want to do a quick unboxing video on this drone. And I've never done an unboxing video before, and this has been out for a while, at least 30-40 days now. So if you haven't seen it, I am upgrading drones, and I will show a size comparison from the Mavic Air I have sitting right over there to the Mavic Air 2. So as you see more, it's the Fly More Combo 2, and let's get her open. I do like DJI products. I do pack them very well. Probably documentation. Ooh. Nice travel case. It almost has a waterproof feel. Alright. So I have not unpacked this yet, but I want to see some size comparison. And here's my other Fly More DJI Mavic Air, the first series. This is the second series. It is a bit taller, but width, this is just a little bit taller. I'm impressed on that. So Mavic Air, we're gonna put that down here. Box labeled accessories, we'll put that there. Don't know what these are yet. Controller, ooh, that controller's nice. Got more hefty than the last one, so we'll put that up. Let's get to the drone itself. Oh wow. Still very lightweight. Oh, it has a thing in the bag for the gimbal thing to go in, and then we have this still stuff in here. Oh, a little tag, pull it open. Oh, more accessories. Now this is the Fly More Combo. I do like the carrying case better, the more modern look of it. That's something I'm curious about. I don't know what this is. Oh, these are filters. So I've never flown with filters. I've been told I need to try it out. It's supposed to be a game changer on the editing and things, but I have it comes with a 16, a 64, and a 265 MD filter. I'll do some more homework on those. As you guys know, I am very amateur, beginner. Not really, I would not call myself a professional drone videographer by any stretch. I just enjoy playing with them. Oh, that's a battery charger. That's different than the other one. I'm very curious on this controller because this is a lot bigger unit. Oh wow. I can fly with my my iPhone 11 Pro with still in the case. That's nutty. That's cool. That's exciting. I always have to take it out of the case in the other controller. Some other controller, normal sport. Tripod, that's interesting. That'd be a new feature on the controller I have on the original Maverick. I'll tell you the batteries have a lot more girth to them, but I'm sure that has something to do with the supposed 34 minutes of flight time, which is hands down insane. It is a larger unit, I will say that. I can tell that right off the bat without even really doing any type of measuring. Get rid of some of these accessories, guys. I will tell you, this unit and this controller are larger. Now I will admit I'm not one to read instructions. Ooh, I do like how the battery has the metal clips inside and it's very secure going in and out. That's much different than the Mavic Air that just has the side clips. All right, we're going to do a size comparison. We're going to do a size comparison of these two units. They are both folded and compact. The Mavic Air 2 is quite a bit taller. It is about the same width and everything else with the blades folded as this one, and this will expand out the Mavic Air 2. Versus the original Mavic Air. And as you can see, I mean, the original Mavic Air is a lot smaller of a drone, span-wise and length-wise, and even size-wise. This does weigh not a ton more, it's a different kind of weight distribution. But as you can see, there's two different kind of drones altogether. But as you can see, it is a big size comparison, but it's not as big as a DJI Mavic 2 Pro. Now let's talk about controller size. This is the new one with OptiSync, and this is the old one. The old one, a lot more moving parts. There's your antennas. Take it out, get your phone in, get your dongles, your thumb joysticks. Get your phone in there, get it plugged in, get all your work, turn it on, and have your Wi-Fi signal. Now that's one of the big reasons I'm upgrading to the 2. Wi-Fi signal is great with range and everything, but in certain urban areas and other places, you lose signal strength, you lose your video, and if you can see the lights on your drone, but you can't, I mean, you don't fly out of sight, of course, but I can tell you that when this video gets interference and freezes on you, you get a little worried because, I mean, let's face it, these drones are not cheap. This controller is fully expanded versus this one with the phone, with OptiSync. I like the way this controller feels already versus when I flew before like this. This does have a wider that the screen was here. Now the screen will be up top and I can focus more here. This I think will be a huge game changer, and it has the OptiSync technology, which is, let's just face it, a game changer from the original controller. I like this one better already, and I haven't even flown yet. We will do it after I fly it for a few events and just enjoy flying. I did a little bit of homework before I upgraded, and I do think it's probably worth the purchase, but we will fly later today. In the video, I don't know if I'll post it. I might fly with the new drone tonight. I'm gonna do some practice flying real quick, get used to it, and I'll do the next video for Boulevard Cruise Nights will be with the new drone, and I'll probably fly the old drone just to get a comparison video. Other than that, that's the unboxing video. We got the Fly More package. I don't know if I'm going to sell my original Mavic Air or not yet. Everybody else I've talked to that has upgraded says that this one will become obsolete. I don't know. That is the main differences, and hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it's a lot different than the normal. other than that, guys, just I hope you enjoy the channel. We're gonna really expand out, and we are building a, I'm not gonna ruin all surprises. We have lots of things in the works, and this channel is very small. I get that, and I'm not doing this for the money. I'm doing this for you guys to enjoy and see what we do. I'm very diverse in my car building and, you know, modifying in the car world. I also travel to a lot of events. I'm going to start doing more travel vlogs. This is going to be a very open channel as far as you're going to get car content, you're going to get drone content, you're going to get some tech stuff here and there. Cars has always been my main focus, my main hobby, drag racing. Lots of other stuff we're involved, but just enjoy the ride, guys. There's gonna be a lot more videos uploaded. I'm gonna try to get to a 2 video, if not 3 video a week upload schedule. I also work a full-time job selling semi-trucks. So if you need a semi-truck, you can give me a call. There's a link in below to the Facebook page of Cundy's Big Rigs if you're looking for anything, Class 8, Class 7, heavy or medium duty trucks, box trucks, you name it. If it's a commercial vehicle, I can probably get my hands on it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video of the Mavic unbox, which I usually don't do. I did do a wrapping of the original Mavic Air a long time ago. Didn't get a lot of views. It's kind of silly and stupid, to be honest with you guys, but figured we had this brand new in the box, we might as well try to, we'll do an unbox video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video over there. Subscribe over there on the end screen that I have now. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you enjoyed the content, and we'll catch you on the next one.